Are you tired of struggling to sell your house in Florence? Look no further than Kevin Buys Houses. We're a local cash buyer with over 20 years of experience in the real estate industry, and we're dedicated to helping you sell your house quickly and hassle-free. Whether you're facing foreclosure, divorce, relocating, or dealing with an inherited property, we can help. We'll also assist with vacant houses, mortgage problems, probate, liens, downsizing, major repairs, or if you're just a tired landlord. No matter the situation, Kevin Buys Houses can help you sell your Florence house today. Selling a house through traditional means can be time-consuming and stressful. You'll have to deal with cleaning and repairing the property, finding a reliable agent, signing complicated contracts, piles of paperwork, and the possibility of a buyer backing out at the last minute. At Kevin Buys Houses, we simplify the process. Visit our website and provide us with your basic information, and we'll provide you with a fair all-cash offer within 24 hours. We buy houses with cash, which means you won't have to rely on traditional bank financing. You can sell your Florence house today and get a check in your hand in as little as 7 days. We understand that selling a house can be overwhelming, especially if you're facing a difficult situation. Our goal is to make it easy for you to move on with your life by taking care of everything, including any necessary repairs. We pride ourselves on offering fast, fair, and honest prices for all houses we purchase. So, if you're ready to sell your Florence house today, give us a call at 480-650-2709 or visit our website kevinbuyshouses.com to get started.